Can you hear that? Arobinago. Religion is not a problem. After all, it's not religion that put Tinubu in office. Nonsense. One of the greatest swings of the pink invaders was to demonize our war deities, especially Ekwensu, whom they successfully named devil and blackballed. You are probably still too blinded to see what a madness this is, but let me try and show you. Do you read Irish literature? If yes, you certainly know they have a rich assortment of fairies and spirits. Branding Ekwensu, the devil, is like my great-great-grandfather Ezedibwe Okedibia invading America or Ireland and naming a Native American or Irish deity Ajomu. How? How did he know that Mondia Jidebube were Ajomu, if not for nefarious purposes to create autoimmune reaction ka arogi no bon so that parasite yabata nubo balagi? Going to Greece and rebranding Osiris or Apollos or Zeus or what's his name of that their goddess, the one that gave Achilles Odeshi. Athena, you arrive somebody's land and choose one man to answer the name of a demon. Buffoonery. A farce. Back to my point. If we were swearing oath of office with a dreaded staff at an Oku Ekwensu, e.g. Ekwensu Anak, Moni Riozu, Olase, Ogugwa Wakija, Audu Mumoji, do you believe that evil people who are toys of a neo-colonial machine will still fight to sit on that seat? Especially after they've seen the corpse of their predecessors dumped in Ekwensu's shrine, unburied. But our hands are tied behind our backs by bullshit like the Lord brings and the Lord taketh away, by the very machine that is robbing and murdering us, the neo-colonial machine. Shit's getting worse in this nation every day. Our neo-colonial masters are tightening the noose around our neck every day. Actually, the plan is for everybody to run so that they will come, defile our sacred Aniobis, and steal Ife for Ife Falap, all that is remaining. But Anibo will be the last front of that fight. Daalu. Usually Ezumezu. That's your ego for. I don't know.